In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to crochet this very cute flower coaster, and this is really easy to make. The written directions are also available in this video. Hi, I am Shabori from Hooked in Loops. Welcome back to my channel. So let's begin. We will be using embroidery flosses. In this particular coaster, I have used 3 colors and 1.75mm crochet hook. So let's begin. We will take the embroidery floss and at first make magic circle with it, and then we will begin the first round. For that we will do a chain 2 and we will not consider this to be any stitch. In the magic circle we will be doing a total of 10 double crochet stitches. We will quickly complete this round and then pull the tail of the magic circle to close it, and at the end we will slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch of this round. Since we will change the color, so we will just do a chain 1 and cut the yarn to fasten off. We will begin the next round. For that, take another yarn and make a slip knot and insert the hook in it. We will slip stitch in any stitch of the last round, followed by chain 2, and we will not consider that to be any stitch. In the same stitch we will do 2 double crochet stitches. And also 2 double crochet in each and every stitch of the last round. So this round we are having a total of 20 double crochet stitches. We will quickly complete this round. And at the end we will slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch of this round. We will begin the third round. We will skip the following stitch and then in the next stitch we will do 1 double crochet stitch followed by 3 triple crochet stitches in the same stitch. We will do 1 double crochet in the same stitch and then skip the following stitch, and in the next stitch after that we will just do a slip stitch there, and we will repeat the pattern. That is, we will skip the next stitch and in the following stitch we will do 1 double crochet followed by 3 triple crochets and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. And then we will skip the next stitch and in the following stitch we will do a slip stitch and again skip the next stitch and repeat the pattern as earlier. We will have a total of 5 such petals. At the end we will slip stitch in the first stitch where we began, and then we will begin the next round. We will do a chain 1, then in the following stitch we will do 1 half double crochet and we will be doing 2 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. and then in the following stitch we will do 1/2 double crochet stitch. Weave a slip stitch in the next stitch and repeat the pattern. That is, in this particular stitch we will do 1/2 double crochet stitch, and in the next 3 stitches we will be doing 2 double crochets in each one of those, and then in the following stitch we will do 1/2 double crochet stitch. In this manner, and we will repeat the pattern throughout the round. Okay, I hope you understood this pattern. At the end of this round we will slip stitch in the first of this round, that is the first half double crochet, and then we will do a chain 1. In that particular stitch we will do 2 double crochet stitches, and in the following 7 stitches also we will be doing 2 double crochet in each one of those. In this way we completed one petal. We will slip stitch in the next half double crochet stitch of the last round and do a chain 1 and repeat the pattern. When you have reached the end of this round, simply do a slip stitch in the first stitch where you began of the last round, okay, and then do a chain 1 and cut the yarn. After this round we will be doing a color change, and this is going to be the last round. Slip stitch in any stitch of the last round followed by a chain 1, and then in the same stitch we will be doing 1 single crochet stitch and also 1 single crochet in each and every stitch of the last round. In this way we will quickly complete this round. Simply do 1 single crochet in each and every stitch of the last round, and this is really easy. This will give a very cute and nice border to your coaster. At the end we will simply do a slip stitch in the first stitch followed by chain 1 and cut the yarn. And with this our coaster is ready. So our flower coaster is ready. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. Wait for the shorts video for the written directions. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.